All right, here we are at eBikes Hawaii with a brand new Haibike Urban Plus. This is a little bit different than what we're used to seeing from Haibike, being more of an off-road brand, but very cool nonetheless. The overall design, as you can see, is super clean. There is the power button and battery indicator. You have a built-in rear rack, integrated fenders right out of the box by SKS. They're a German brand. This bike also comes with an integrated headlight and tail light right out of the box with an ambient light sensor. Very cool feature, automatically adjusts to your surroundings. And it also has as Christy is demonstrating, a brake light. So as she squeezes the brake lever, you can see how it automatically brightens the tail light. As for the electric side, the Urban Plus uses a Transx M25 that's a 500 watt mid-drive system capable of speeds up to 28 miles per hour. The battery is also Transx. It's a 500 watt hour capacity. We're looking at a hydroformed 6000 grade aluminum frame, through axle front and rear, 27.5 platform wheel set with Schwalbe Super Moto X tires. Alright, now onto the coolest part of the Urban Plus, the fully smartphone integrated COBI system. So now we have an iPhone 7 sitting in the cradle. This is a universal spring-loaded cradle that fits pretty much all phone sizes, from standard phones all the way up to the iPhone Plus, the big Android Galaxies, things like that. It's very secure. That's your home screen. And just like on any other e-bike, you can use the thumb pad to control the assist level.
19 kilometers range.
It also tells you how much range you have remaining per assist level. That's your battery indicator for your bike. This is your power meter that will start to show up once you ride. Also flip through the menu. So here we're at navigation.
Contacts.
You can have your contacts synced up. You can have your music synced up.
Fitness.
And fitness here will show your health, which you can connect to the Apple Health app, and also the wattage. There's also a electronic built-in bell. Bottom one. Alright, so now we're in the COBI app when the bike is not being used, when it's not in motion. We'll go over some of the features and functions of the app itself. You have your tour, which refers to the total distance, the amount of time, and the average speed of your ride. So right now the navigation is just using my GPS and my data. It still works, it's just going to use data. If you download the offline maps, you do not use your phone's data, which is pretty nifty. So next we have the fitness tab, where you can attach some sensors to monitor your heart rate, things like that. Alright, now onto the music tab. So the way this works is you play your music from your Spotify or your Apple Music, and it automatically takes over the audio controls using the thumb pad on the handlebar. Kind of a cool little rolling bike icon. And in our minds, one of the most valuable features that the COBI system offers is the built-in alarm system. With theft being such a big issue in Hawaii and other places as well, this really adds a lot of value. So if you look at the lower left-hand corner, you see a little lock icon there. Once you press the lock, it actually locks the bike, and if anybody tampers with it or tries to move it, an alarm will sound off. So here's the bike, the alarm is set, and we're gonna try to tamper with it a little bit and see what happens. Oh. Makes some noise when you move the handlebars, and if you roll the bike, and that's about it for the home page. We'll now go into settings on the upper left. So here you have your connected services tab. You can integrate through Strava, through the Apple Health as mentioned earlier. Let's see here. Your bike's information. Here are your map settings where you can download the offline maps, external sensors, and that's about it.
14 kilometers range.